Okay, so let's go over the navigation for the course. This won't take long. It's very easy to navigate through Canvas. From the home page, you will see links on the left menu bar. This is how you will navigate throughout the course. If you need to email me about a topic, you can click here and send me an email directly from the classroom. This is the best way to contact me because Canvas will not kick this out as being an insecure email, so that's great. The calendar is right over here for you to see what's due. The dashboard is here, which will take you to your dashboard. The modules, assignments, discussions, grades, the Library Center, and NetTutor. NetTutor is an automated system. Some people tell me it works really great. Others tell me they have problems with it. But give it a try. See if it works for you. The Library Center always works. And we love the Library Center because the people are wonderful in here and they really care about students and want to help. This is where you click to ask a librarian. The Modules tab takes you to where the weekly modules are located. Assignments tab shows you all of the list of assignments for the term, although those are both shown in the modules course. I think it's a little easier to access from there. Discussions take you to the discussion boards in your cyber cafe. Grades will be your grade center where you'll see what has been turned in. And then we have these two, and that's it. That is how easy it is to navigate your way through Canvas. And that completes this short tutorial.